Come on, put a basket in. Put your basket in. Come on, you can do it. Here, here's your ball. You take the ball, put it in. Yay! Oops, push it through. You want to do it again? Huh? You want to do it again? No. You like the music? Where are you going? Oh, show Grandma now how you put that in the little swirly thing. Oops, try again. Remember, it goes like this. Show Grandma. That one too. Where are you going to take the ball? Uh-oh.